Hello everyone, welcome to the Fairfield Public Library. Today in our Take and Make kit, we are making a DIY fishing game. Continue to watch this video so that we can catch some fish together. Okay, so in your Take and Make kit, you should have 4 pieces of construction paper, a shape of some fishes, 1 pipe cleaner, a piece of yarn, and a popsicle stick. So from home, you're gonna need crayons, glue, scissors, and a pencil. So the first thing we want to do is cut out our fish. So you don't have to cut all of them out. You could just pick the ones that you would like to use. So start cutting those out. Okay, so once you have your fishes cut, we are now going to get our construction paper and we're gonna trace them around. So I think I'm gonna do a green one, gonna trace a red one, oh, yellow, this looks like it's a shark. And the next one I'm going to trace is, I'll do this one here. Okay. So once you're done, you'll cut that out. Perfect. And let's cut out our next one. Okay. Now we are going to decorate our fish, and we can add some circles to give it some spots. And we can do some lines. And then we can do some squiggly lines, or perfect. The next thing we would like to do is take our blue paper, and we kind of want to do like an oval with some swivels in there to make a pond. So I'm gonna just go up and around, almost like a puddle of water, and then we can cut that out. And that is going to be our pond here. We're going to take our pipe cleaner, and we're going to bend our pipe cleaner into 4 bends. If you could get more, that's fine. So we'll split it in half one time. Then we will split in half again. And then we want to open it up and cut where the bends are. So now we're going to take our fish, and we might need some help to poke a hole right at the very top. A little hole. We're going to take our pipe cleaner and we're going to put that through, and we are then going to do a loop. And then we're going to do the same with our other 2 fish, or shark in this. Poke a hole, put the pipe cleaner in, and then bend a circle. Poke a hole. And bend a circle around. Now we're gonna take our popsicle stick and our yarn. We're gonna put our popsicle stick and yarn and make a knot at the top, because this is going to become our fishing pole. And make sure that is nicely secure. Then our next step is to take the other last one with the other side, and you're going to tie it around just at the top. You might need some help here. Maybe one more for good luck. And then we're gonna take a blue crayon and we're gonna do some squiggly lines and some water ripples throughout the paper to make it look like a pond. Perfect. And then we can start fishing. So we're gonna put our fish onto the pond. Then we will do a light bend here to make it a hook to catch the fish. I'm gonna cut my extra piece of yarn off on the end here, so that's not confusing. Then I'm gonna take my fishing and I'm gonna try to hook on a fish. That one's not going. Let's try another one. I might wanna wind up my fishing rod. Okay, let's see. Can I get it? Oh, nope. Almost. And I caught a fish. I hope that you were able to catch some of your fishes and you had fun making this craft with me. As always, check out what's happening here at the Fairfield Public Library by keeping up to date with our calendar. Have a fun time in our summer reading program and have fun making this game. See you later. Bye.